we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Power steering pump replacement. BMW X5 E70 engine M57. If the steering wheel moves very hard and with some noises from the engine area, this could be the problem. I found metal span deposits in the power steering liquid tank. I will clean the power steering fluid reservoir using brake cleaner spray. Install the reservoir for the power steering fluid in its place. The customer brought me a second-hand power steering pump for installation. Put the power steering pump in the working position. Install and tighten the power steering pump fixing screws. Use pliers to secure the hose clamp to the low-pressure hose. Replace the sealing washers and mount the high-pressure pipe. Check that the screw is tight. I will use Green power steering oil. It has the same characteristics as the 11 Swiss francs S oil. I will turn the power steering pump pulley clockwise until the system is loaded with oil. Then I recover the oil full of impurities through a hose in a container. You can see how the used oil is replaced with a clean oil. Slowly turn the steering wheel to the left and then to the right a few times. Now install the power steering fluid return line. And clean the area with a brake cleaner spray. Mount the alternator. Install the bearing roller for the belt. Install the belt tensioner. Fit the accessory belt. This is the correct positioning of the accessory belt. Also install the AC compressor belt. Mount the hose from the intercooler. To mount the electric fan, It is necessary to remove the intercooler hose from the intake. This radiator support had to be folded in order to remove the electric fan. Mount the electric fan. Mount everything in place and enjoy pleasant trips. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.